Morning, YouTubies. How's it going? Oh my God, it is so beautiful today. I think the high is supposed to be 60, and it's gorgeous out. There's a slight cool breeze, but not real bad. Take these off. Can't see with them. Can't see without them. Okay, this morning I had some frosted sugar cookies I got from the deli department. Well, excuse you. Deli bakery department at Walmart. I love these things. I don't get them very often because normally I can't eat the whole package, which is a good thing. What I usually do is I get them. I have like maybe one or two, and I share them with the family. So it's not just me eating them. Drinking them? Oh, I got ready to say I'm drinking them. Not drinking sugar cookies. Anywho, how you guys doing? These are Valentine's cookies. It's Valentine's is coming up. Yep. Well, if I can get it up here without dropping it and making a mess with the sprinkles going over. Isn't that pretty? I love how most sugar cookies I'm like, not real keen on because a lot of them are like not soft like these. I think these are like made from a cake mix. Cake mix sugar cookies. And they're frosted. I like Casey's general store sugar cookies, but only if they don't overcook them. So I got some chocolate milk to go with it, which I need to stir up a little bit more. I don't have the Highlands milk. It's chocolate milk with Hershey's chocolate syrup in it. That way I can control how much chocolate I have in it, how much sugar I have in it. Of course, the milk has sugar in it too, but I try not to overindulge in the sugary stuff. I've been doing so good on not indulging in the sugary stuff lately that I actually got a low blood sugar the other day. And oh my God, that was horrible. Sweating my butt off, and I had the shakes. I had to quickly get up and get something to drink that was sugary, so I could get myself under control. Like I was telling Anthony, now too bad I couldn't let myself get low like that and control it and sweat buckets and lose weight. But that would not be healthy. I'm not going to do that. But oh my gosh, I was sweating and I had the shakes so bad. I haven't done that for probably about a year. Got that low. Like a ding dong, I didn't check to see, I didn't check my blood sugar to see how low I was because my first thought was getting something down so I can get rid of the sweats and the shakes. So I don't know how low I was. It's so good. It's so soft. So how are you guys doing? I hope the weather is gorgeous for you guys too. I could use some more of this kind of weather. Mother Nature needs to cooperate and keep this kind of weather around. My voice keeps wanting to squawk on me. It's like, what the heck? Ever since I had that virus, every once in a while, my voice keeps wanting to come back a little bit squawky. What a mess. Oh man. Need a drink. I'm afraid to shake it too much because I found out that this jar, unlike some other jars I use, this jar wants to leak on me. And I really don't want milk shaked all over me, but I think I need to get my chocolate milk or chocolate shake shook up. Speak English, Vicky. Okay, good enough. made a mess. Dang it. I got this little chain to keep my glasses on. And for some reason, I cannot keep my glasses on. I have it cinched up to where my glasses should be staying on, but I don't know if I keep bumping them or what the deal is. I'm actually tempted to get some super glue later and super glue the little rubbery things on there. I've already lost one pair of sunglasses. I already lost one pair of glasses this morning alone. I have multiple pairs, but still, I don't need to be losing them everywhere. I don't need to be leaving a trail for myself. And Anthony wants to argue with me, saying that I keep taking them off. It's like, no, I put them on there with intent for them to stay on there so I can put them on and off of my head, my face, so I can see. And they get occasionally, you know, I don't know what happens. They get bumped or whatever, and the little thingy majigger slides off. I'm not taking them off on purpose, but yet he wants to argue. Go figure. No. It's like my word is not good enough. Like, I didn't take them off. They are falling off. Like, what part of that do you not understand? Every once in a while, he gets in those modes where he thinks he's all the only one that's right on everything. I was like, no, you're not. I hate to say it. I love him anyways, but still, it's like, if I say I've not done something, I've not done it. You know? Why has everybody got to keep counteracting what I say? If I say something where I've done it or not done it, it means I've done it or not done it. Anywho, I think I'm gonna have one right now. These are super sweet. My dad, he shouldn't be eating all the sweets that he does, but he's the real person that eats the sweets in the house lately. I'm surprised he's not diabetic. Oh, gosh dang it. I guess I bumped it or something and they came off again when I turned around to... This is highly annoying. I am seriously going to get some super glue later and super glue these little dang things on. You're going to stay on there. Anthony thinks that I'm continuously taking them off and it's stretching the little band. It's like, no, and of course he got mad when I tried to explain things to him. Try to explain to him they got a little rubber band thingy here, but they got a little wire that helps cinch them up, or they're supposed to stay on the glass piece. He got mad because I explained. Like, whatever, dude. But yeah, I'm gonna get some super glue or something. Super glue, or even a tiny rubber band where I can actually do a little loopy loop over the thingy, maybe, if that would work. I'm not sure. Because I have some tiny little earbuds now that go down into the little crevice of your ear. I tried my luck at using my other pair, what do you call it? These things. And tried to rig it where this little rubber piece was on the little, can't think of the words. the little headphones that go down your ear. That didn't work. Now all my ideas work. Just saying. I'm being honest. I have some good ideas sometimes. Well, I think they're good ideas until I try them. So, anywho, and it sucks when I can't think of words when I'm trying to say them. I hate that. Okay, I had just a little bit more. Yeah, I need to shake that up a little bit more. Loving this weather. This is awesome. The sky's cloudy, but yet it's blue. It's like a blue-white. So, it's pretty out. Yeah, get on there. All right. Alright, I think I'm going to get ready to scoot. If you guys are new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Let me know if you've ever actually tried these. I love these little things, but I can't eat as many as I used to. But let me know what you think of them. It's like they have, every month they have a different color frosting because of the holidays and such. So, but this one's Valentine's. But they're good, but they're sweet. Here's how much sugar they got in them. I may not want to know. "16 grams of sugar." I'm thinking that's a lot. Just saying. But, yeah. But one's not going to kill me. So, all right. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye.